Welcome to this video. We'll see a simple pie chart with Tableau. I'm going to focus on order by category. The dataset I have used is sample Superstore. If you don't get access to it, simply reach out to me. We'll go in data source. I'll actually give you a view of adding it. Okay, so my dataset name is sample Superstore. I have named it with my ID. And orders, we are dragging it and keeping it into the marks card, right? Further, in order to create a pie chart from my marks card, I'll be making a selection on pie just because I want something on angle. You could go into the show me and see for pie chart you are required one measure and one dimension. Measure in an angle, dimension in color. That should be pretty much enough. You could play around with the size as well, right? So let it's order by category. So I'm keeping category in color. Okay, there are three unique categories. Now, I want order ID, count of order ID. Our order ID by default, it is a dimension. I need to use it for my measures, right? I'll make it a count measure, number of orders by category. So now you see the angle has changed, the size has changed. Either you keep it this in size or you keep it this in angle, it will create a same uh, visual for you, right? Now, further, I want to incorporate label for intuitiveness. I'll drag same details. I want category in my label and I want order ID. That too, order ID has to display count. Okay. It is visible, but I'll make it more customized. Usually the font text I prefer is Verdana style. So I'll make a selection of it. Yeah. And then it's just intuitive to have your numbers in a slightly enlarged format. Same I'll do with the tooltip. I want Verdana font style. Okay. And bold brings emphasis over here. This is count of order for me. Okay. And yeah, that's what I wanted. So a visual is created, which has got categories in the colors part, which is deciding there are three categories in which usually my products are dealt with. Highest number of orders we have got is for office supplies, next is for furniture, and then it's for technology. You could play around with the pie chart